Hello and welcome to the Bambore Athletics Stadium. It's a bright sunny day here and we are all set for the 12th National Youth Athletics Championship organized by the Goa Athletics Association under the auspices of Athletics Federation of India. Just moments away from the inauguration, Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly Rajendra Arlekar is going to declare the championship open. We will bring to you the highlights of the opening day, starting from the opening ceremony and then followed by all the events on the day one.
Team Andhra Pradesh, can we request for you to start off, please? While Team Chhattisgarh slowly followed behind. A strong contingent, and they will prove their mettle as they pass by. And here's a strong contingent of last year's champions, everybody. It's Team Kerala as they pass by. This year, they are proving to take it back home again. Defending champions this time, they are Team Kerala with a strong contingent at the 12th National Youth Athletic Championship. Team Kerala, congratulations. Championship Team Maharashtra again look quite a strong force to compete at the 12th National Youth Athletic Championship. Welcome Team Maharashtra. Followed by Team Odisha as they come by. A nice happy smiling bunch as they pass by Team Odisha. We have Team Punjab that follows. Welcome Team Punjab and athletes from Rajasthan. As they pass by our dignitaries, welcome Team Rajasthan. Well, the athletes being led by the Goan Army Band. Team Tamil Nadu. Let's see you wave past the audience as you go by. Hello Team Tamil Nadu. All the new state in Telangana. Welcome Team Telangana. And Uttar Pradesh as they come by. Team Uttar Pradesh, hello and welcome. Thank you, Team Uttarakhand. Well, teammates of West Bengal, we welcome you. We wish you all the luck at the Youth Festival. And now the host city. We welcome you, Team Goa. And we wish you all the luck as they pass by our dignitaries. Team Goa.
I feel hugely honored that we got this opportunity to be associated with this great event by being the main sponsor from our side. I extend a very, very warm and hearty welcome on behalf of Life Insurance Corporation of India to one and all sitting here.
At the outset, let me thank the Goa Athletic Association for having come forward to conduct this youth championship in spite of our last time last minute request, because this championship was earlier planned to be conducted at Pune, but due to some reason we could not conduct this championship at Pune. So we requested Mr. Parish whether he can do it at Goa. Parish was very helpful. He immediately said we will do it. We have been conducting a lot of championships like Lusophobia games and other things. It will not be a big problem for us to conduct this championship at Goa in a good manner.
हम तो यहाँ खेलने के लिए आए हैं और खेलते समय हमारी एक भावना मन में होना जरूरी है, जिसको हम अंग्रेजी में स्पोर्टिंग स्पिरिट बोलते हैं. That sporting spirit is very much needed, and not only needed in our hearts, it is needed to be displayed. अपने जो बाकी साथी हैं उनके साथ इस स्पोर्टिंग स्पिरिट का हमको डिस्प्ले भी करना है, दिखाना है. सबके साथ व्यवहार कैसा होना चाहिए, ये सब चीज़ें मैंने आपको बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I declare the 12th National Youth Athletic Championship 2015 open.
In the name of all the competitors, I promise that we shall take part in the 12th National Youth Athletic Championship 2015, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, competing ourselves to the athletics without doping and without drugs, with the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of athletics and the honor of our team. Jai Hind.
With the start of 100 meters, youth girls final. That was the start of youth 100-meter final.
Lane 1 beat 1 by 3. Rejul Mola from Bihar. Lane 2 beat number 485. Ajit.
.105.